Jackson. I nominate Heather Brown, Haley Brown, and Troy Brown.
I'm Amelia, and I nominate my grandma, Sarah Wiseman at McDonald's, and my brother Andrew.
I'm Alex. I nominate my mom, my dad, Caitlin, and Grant. Okay, let's go. Here you go.
Oh my god.
That's wet.
Ooh, that was so cool.
Next bucket.
That is a lot cooler than I expected.